Hey everybody, David Booyink here from Seaway Hyundai, here to talk to you about the forward collision warning system featured on most of our products nowadays. The warning system is based on the front windshield from a camera that you have in the center windshield of the vehicle, okay? It's detecting what's ahead of you. The vehicle starts to stop and you're not paying attention. The vehicle will warn you and then stop if you do not react on time. There's a late warning, a normal warning, and an early warning. The earlier warning gives you bigger distances away from the vehicle, and then late, of course, is closer to the vehicle. But it all depends on how you feel your reaction time would detect and react to what's going on with the vehicle. Great safety feature to have. We will tell you a little bit more about how everything works inside the vehicle. Let's check it out. So here we are, just to show you how the forward collision system in the user settings works. So we're going to use this book button in the center screen. We're going to hit it 4 times. We're going to go user settings. So you have heads-up display, driver assist. Hit and hold the OK button. And we're going to scroll down to forward collision. So we know that it's on because it's checked off. And we're going to select what the distances are. Now, if you're not exactly sure what you're dealing with, you hit and hold the OK button, and it gives you a quick definition of how the vehicle will assist you. So forward collision avoidance system assists in a collision avoidance system by providing a warning and vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. Perfect. So we're going to go into forward collision warning. Selects a warning is provided once a forward collision risk is detected. So select it, and now here you see you have late, normal, and early. Early, of course, is the further away from the vehicle. Normal's in the middle, and late is you're closer to the vehicle or closer to an imminent collision. Thanks, folks. Check us out for all your Seaway Hyundai vehicle shopping needs.